Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to make a line in Google Docs if you guys don't already know, and if you guys want to know how to make a horizontal line in Google Docs, you need to open up Google Docs right now. I'm using on PC, so I'm using the site here, googledocs.com, docs.google.com, and wherever you want to insert the line on, you need to go inside that document first and go into that or go to the place that you want to insert the line on, and all you got to do to insert the line is click on insert. You click here and at below you'll see horizontal line. You click on that and a line will be installed or inserted in few seconds. You can install as many lines that you like and anywhere that you like. So you can see here I have numerous number of lines, and you can even write below the line or on top of the line. So this is how you insert a line on Google Docs, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.